Wait right there, okay? I'm just getting my nature notebook. It's kind of broken, but who cares? Guys, it's kind of broken. So the cover looks like this. First page says, oh well, I made this myself when I was 7. Okay, this first page says, no, this is broken. This is in my book because it is some nature on it. Because it's my dream catcher. It has 2 feathers on it and a fake spider. And then I have 3 rocks. My dad's rock, like I painted dad rocks on it for what's it called? Father's Day. And then these 2 other rocks. This one is white and gray, and this one is just gray. This one's black, this one's gray, this one's black, this one's black, and this one's gray and orange, this one's gray and blue. So, and my smoothest one is just these 2 really black ones. And then this is my favorite page. So this is my leaves picture. I collected these leaves that I found on the ground. So there you go. And there's a little flower here. Okay, that's all actually in real progress. I'm not really done. So, bye-bye with all your faces. Bye-bye. Off on your head. Now.